Hey, what's up? Here we go. Let's go over the Head-Bud Earphone. That sounds like it's an actual thing, but I don't know if it is. Here we go. So we have the perimeters of the red and the blue triangles are equal. So the perimeter, the three sides of the red triangle equal the three sides of the blue triangle. Okay, so we know they're equal, so we're probably going to use an equal sign somewhere. The image is not to scale. Okay, cool. It's just a pretty picture. Side 1 is this many. Side 2 is this many. Side 3 is this many. Side 1 is this many. Where's the other sides? Oh, look at the tick marks, friends. These tick marks indicate we have an equilateral triangle. So that means all three sides are the same length. So what we're going to do to side 1, excuse me, I got hiccups, is we're going to triple that. That's going to give you the perimeter. Because like a quick example, if this was 10, well, I don't need to know that these are 10 because the tick marks say they're 10. So I know right away the perimeter of this dude would be 30. All right. How did I get that? I took one side times 3. This is the one side times 3. So how am I going to solve this? I'm probably going to add all three of these sides together to get the perimeter. And then I'm going to set it equal to this one side tripled. So let's write some stuff out. I'm going to, instead of writing the whole thing out, I'm going to go ahead and combine them as I see them. So 4x plus 5x plus 6x. I'm going to write it over here. Actually, I got enough space. That's going to be a 15x. Okay. 38 plus 28 plus 42. I don't know that off the top of my head. 38 plus 28 plus a 42 is 108. So I add these three up. That's going to be a 108. Okay. It's going to equal 3x plus 44 tripled. So 3 times u would be a 9x. And then 3 times u, 44 times 3 is a number, and that number is 132. All right, so after all that noise, I just have myself a basic two-stepper, multi-stepper, where there's variables on both sides. First move, I'm going to get rid of the smaller variable. So subtract 9x from both sides. And then combo move, I'm also going to subtract the 108 from this side. If the variables are left over on this side, I'm probably going to want to subtract that number. So that way I've got variables on one side, numbers on the other, and that'll lead to my final move. So I'm kind of doing two moves in one right here. Okay, 15x minus a 9x. I'm going to write my math over here. I got plenty of pretty space over here. It's going to be a 6x. Okay, and then that's going to equal 132 minus a 108, I believe, is a 24. All right, cool. So final move, divide both sides by 6. X is going to equal a 4. Sweet, I am done. No, I'm not. I need to actually give the side lengths of 1, 2, 3, and then all three of these side lengths, which, spoiler, they're all the same. So basically all three of these are going to be the same number. All right, so I got to plug 4 back into side 1, side 2, side 3. So I wish I could show you the work. I don't have a Desmos calculator open, but trust me when I'm saying, I guess I could write one out here really quick. So how would I find side 1? Well, I would take 4 right there times the x value 4. And then I would go plus 38. And then I do the same thing. 5 times 4. I guess I got time. I can write this out. You can fast forward this if you want. And then I would do 6 times 4 plus 42. There you go. So calculate those. You'll get those sides. And then since all three sides are the same, you would do 3 times 4 plus 44. And then you would just copy that number 3 times. So I'll go ahead and do that really fast here. We have 4 times 4 plus a 38. So this side is going to be, oops, mouse is in the way. This is going to be a 54. Again, if you can calculate the answers faster than me, go for it. If you want to fast forward through this, go ahead. I just want to get the work completely completed. It's nice to complete things. This side would be 48. And I'm running out of space even. 6 times 4 plus a 42 is 66. All right, so you're 66. All right, cool. Now 3 times 4 plus 44. 3 times 4 plus 44 is 56. Now, once you calculate it, the rest of them are all the same, so all three of them are going to be 56. All right, so basically you get extra points just for getting one right. So they're all the same. All right, cool. So in review, the perimeters are equal. So the perimeter would be the sum of the three sides, which I summed right here. Going to be the sum of the three sides, but if all three sides are the same, you just triple one side, which I did here. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Substitute the x back in to actually solve for the side lengths, and then you win. That is the Head-Bud Earphone. See you in class.